Welcome to the ALAND Investments News for August 17, 2024. In today's edition, we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the global real estate market. These insights cover emerging trends, innovative projects, and key investment opportunities that are shaping the future of the industry. Here are the top stories you need to know. Dubai's green building boom attracts eco-conscious investors. Dubai is witnessing a boom in green building projects as investors increasingly prioritize sustainability. New developments in areas like Dubai South Al Quoz are leading the way with eco-friendly designs, energy-efficient systems, and sustainable construction materials. This trend is attracting eco-conscious investors who are looking for properties that align with their values and offer long-term value. Qatar's Lusail City gains traction as a real estate hotspot. Lusail City in Qatar is quickly becoming a major real estate hotspot in the GCC. With its futuristic design, smart infrastructure, and proximity to Doha, Lusail is drawing significant attention from international investors. The city's mixed-use developments, luxury apartments, and commercial spaces are expected to offer high returns as the area continues to grow. Spain's coastal real estate market rebounds. Spain's coastal real estate market is experiencing a strong rebound, driven by renewed interest from foreign buyers. Regions like Costa del Sol and Costa Brava are seeing increased demand for holiday homes and investment properties, fueled by favorable exchange rates and attractive property prices. This resurgence is positioning Spain as a top destination for real estate investors looking for coastal retreats. New York City sees a surge in commercial real estate investments. New York City is seeing a surge in commercial real estate investments as businesses return to the office and tourism picks up. Areas like Manhattan and Brooklyn are particularly attractive to investors, with office spaces, retail properties, and mixed-use developments in high demand. This renewed interest is expected to boost the city's real estate market significantly in the coming months. Singapore's real estate market thrives amidst economic growth. Singapore's real estate market is thriving, supported by strong economic growth and a stable political environment. The city-state is attracting investors from across the globe, particularly in the luxury residential sector. High-end developments in areas like Marina Bay and Orchard Road are selling out quickly, reflecting the strong demand for prime real estate in Singapore. The rise of PropTech, how technology is revolutionizing real estate. PropTech, or property technology, is revolutionizing the real estate industry by introducing new ways to buy, sell, and manage properties. Innovations such as virtual tours, AI-driven property valuations, and blockchain for secure transactions are transforming the market. Investors are increasingly looking to PropTech startups as lucrative opportunities to capitalize on the digital transformation of real estate. Australia's regional property markets gain momentum. Australia's regional property markets are gaining momentum as more people seek to escape crowded cities. Areas like Queensland and Victoria are seeing increased demand for residential properties, driven by lifestyle changes and the rise of remote work. This trend is opening up new investment opportunities in regions that were previously overlooked. The impact of rising interest rates on global real estate. Rising interest rates are having a significant impact on global real estate markets. In countries like the United States, Canada, and the UK, higher borrowing costs are slowing down property transactions, especially in the residential sector. Investors are advised to closely monitor interest rate trends and consider diversifying their portfolios to mitigate risks. Brazil's real estate market attracts foreign investment. Brazil's real estate market is attracting a wave of foreign investment, particularly in cities like São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. The country's growing middle class, coupled with a favorable exchange rate, is driving demand for both residential and commercial properties. This influx of foreign capital is expected to spur further development and boost the overall market. Smart home technology gains popularity in urban developments. Smart home technology is gaining popularity in urban developments worldwide. Features like automated lighting, climate control, and security systems are becoming standard in new residential projects. Cities like Tokyo, London, and Dubai are at the forefront of integrating smart home technology into urban living, offering investors a chance to be part of the future of residential real estate. Stay informed with ALAND Investments News for daily updates on global real estate trends and investment opportunities. Our comprehensive coverage ensures you have the latest insights to make informed decisions in the ever-evolving real estate market.